Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Instagram shopping. So this is a very useful function and I'm sure you already seen the shopping options on Instagram, which is a great way for businesses to increase your sales because Instagram have been always a good source for marketing, but with Instagram shopping you can list your products and on Instagram and you don't have to share them from your profile but directly as a product post. So I will show you how to set up this function. It's not that easy, so I will show you the first steps, but after those steps there are limitations and approval systems, so you might have to look into that for your specific niche, for your website and everything to make sure. But these are the first steps that you have to do either way. So go to settings, and in the settings menu the third option is business. Go to business, and here the last one on the list, as you can see, is set up Instagram shopping. Go to set up Instagram shopping. Let's see what they say. Open your shop on Instagram. Add a shop to your profile. Showcase your products in a customizable storefront on your Instagram profile. Tag products in your posts. Create shoppable content by tagging products in your posts. Get insights about your shop. Learn what engages your customers with insights like product views. Get started. So here you will have to connect your Facebook account to your Instagram. Then you have to set up Facebook shopping first if you don't have it yet. If you have Facebook shopping, then you're all set, but if you don't, you have to set up Facebook shopping, and later in the business manager you can add your Instagram profile to your Facebook shopping menu, and then you will be able to set up your Instagram shop. Good luck with that. I hope you all will succeed and have very profitable Instagram shops. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.